So my name is BeUnka Holmqist. I'm a corporate recruiter for an industrial gas company based out of the USA. So I work mostly remote from home. I'm based in Alabama, but my work is based out of New Jersey. And like I said, I'm a corporate recruiter. So I work mostly in the transportation and logistics industry. I really wanted something that was going to allow me to be able to, I guess, hone in on my skill set as a recruiter. And I had looked at a number of different programs out there and just really wanted something that was streamlined, that would add value, I guess, to my resume and to just my overall profile, but also wasn't going to break the bank, so to speak. And so when I found this program, CHRMP, I was really impressed by just how straightforward the website was. It broke everything down really well. Any questions I had, they were answered either through the chat or through email. And so it made it very easy to make this choice. As far as just, like I said earlier, with everything being straightforward, the talent acquisition program. So I work pretty much on a talent acquisition team now. In my previous roles, I've worked in recruitment / talent acquisition. And so I just really wanted to have more of an expertise across just talent acquisition in general. And so the certification that I chose really covered a lot of different aspects that go into talent acquisition. One of the courses that I enjoy a lot was learning more about competency-based interviewing. And so that really just gave me more insight into that aspect of talent acquisition. And it really just fortified a lot of the knowledge across recruitment and talent acquisition in general for me. I definitely think there are a lot of good points that were mentioned throughout the program that I'm going to be able to use in my current position. As far as recommending it to other people who might be interested, if you're in recruitment or working in talent acquisition, it's definitely a good certification to start off with. If you have any questions, I can definitely say, the follow-up is there, because I never had any problems communicating when I hit roadblocks, or if something wasn't working or functioning, or if I hit a back button on a program or a video and it wouldn't load. So just from start to finish, everything just went really smoothly. All the courses, the content that was presented, it was presented in a clear manner. It didn't leave anything out there where I did not understand it. You also got a good breakdown of notes through each course. I was already taking notes throughout each course myself, but then when I saw that it had summaries for each section, that really just helped me have a guide to go back and look at as well. And so I've never really taken a course that gave you an actual summary or guide at the end. So that was a definitely plus for me. Just to have that extra information in case I missed something in my own notes while I was taking each course. I definitely am going to be doing competency-based interviews more. I know I had in the past, but in my last role, we didn't do that as much. And so really using what I learned in that course to help me be able to interview better. I think the course overall gave me better tools for just interviewing in general. I do that on a daily basis. I was doing it in person, and now we're doing a lot of phone interviews and virtual interviews remotely. So really, I think even more so now is the time to be skilled in just the interviewing process in general, because you're not having people come in face to face like you normally would, just because of us being in the pandemic. A lot of companies are moving remote and virtual, and so we are as well. So definitely, I think that course overall helped me to be able to interview better. I would definitely recommend you guys, anyone who's looking for a certification, or just to get better understanding, whether you're in recruitment or your HR generalist. I saw that there were courses for lots of different areas of just being in human resources in general on the website. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out to the contact support. They will follow up with you and help answer any questions that you might have. And for me, the price was something also that I would definitely recommend, because a lot of other courses I looked at, they were really pricey. And I know I was only looking to spend a certain amount of money on a course, and this course actually fell within that budget. So if you're looking for something that is going to be price friendly, that you're going to get value out of, as well as, you're going to have that support there behind you if you need it, I would definitely recommend CHRMP.